Okay, this chart, okay, what the graph is I drawn according to the given problem. In that given problem, the maximum temperature is 650, okay, and minimum temperature is 430. The minimum temperature is 430. Here I drawn in x-axis. I marked that is A is 100% on this line and B is 100% on this line. So what is TA? Already given data is there. That is just go to the given data. Then TA is what? That is TA is what? 650 degrees Celsius. And what is TB is here? That is 450 degrees Celsius. That is TB. That is TB. And one more temperature I mentioned, that is 300. That is TE is what? Eutectic. That is here you mark right here temperature in y-axis. That is TE is equal to 300. The next part, so I will draw on direct. First what we can draw this line according to, that is 100 per A is A and B in x-axis and Y is up to I mark 700, because the maximum temperature is 650. I am consider it is up to 700 degrees Celsius. So after that I mark TA and TB value. I mark TA is what? 650 and TB is 450. TB is 450, correct. Then I will mark third next part. After TA and TB I mark eutectic temperature, that is 300. Then I will draw on vertical horizontal line at 300. I will draw on horizontal line at 300. Okay, horizontal line at 300. Okay, please go according to this step by step like this only. I will draw on horizontal line at 300. So next part, this is eutectic temperature. Next you can mark eutectic composition, that is the given 60% of B and 40% of A. This is A is 40 and B is 60. Okay, draw on vertical line till this temperature line, till this temperature line. So this point you consider as E. Okay, join this point, okay, TA to TE, then TB to E. Okay, I'll explain. First draw, okay, this box means the border line. Then write x axis, that is A is 100% and B is 100%. A is 100% is there, so because of that I marked A is here. B is 100% is here because I marked B is here, correct. Then so next one is what? Mark TE, eutectic temperature, draw on horizontal line. So next point mark, that is eutectic composition, draw on vertical line till this point, then mark E. Then join TA to TE, then TB to E. Okay, then start labeling. This is what? This is liquidus line. This is liquid. Okay, this and this points are lines are liquidus line. So the labeling is very important. If you miss, you can lose the marks. Okay, without label we are not going to consider anything. This is Sardus line. Okay, okay, here liquid is there, liquid to direct solid, that is what? Alpha plus beta. This line we called as eutectic line. This line is called eutectic line. Here TA is there, so liquid plus alpha. Here B is there, liquid plus beta. Here A is on this line, so maximum amount of A atoms are there, alpha plus beta. Here alpha beta rich metal, beta plus alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta. Okay, this is the label. This is the proper labeling of this. Without, if you miss anything here, then you will lose the marks. Then this is what? Draw the phase diagram and label all the silent features means like this. Okay, according to that given temperature, a proper given temperature. Okay, according to that. Okay, that is statement, problem statement. Okay, now so we'll start, okay, then solving the problem. What is that? We need to find the, okay, the first one we need to, okay, find, okay, solidification start temperature Ts and solidification end temperature of an alloy. So the given alloy composition, that is A is 75 and B is 25. This is 100, 95, 90, 85, 80 and this is 75. Then B is 25, 10, 20 and 25. Okay, that is alloy line. Draw on vertical line at here. This is alloy line and this is alloy line. Okay, means there is a, according to this line, where exactly solidification start, means exactly at this point the solidification start. So draw on dotted line, this point is exactly on this line. So solidification start at 500 degree Celsius. Solidification start at 500 degree Celsius, and this point, that is start, and this is end of the solidification. And this line, it is exactly on 300, means solidification end at 300 degree Celsius. Solidification end at 300 degree Celsius. The first one. Solidification start and solidification end at the given alloy. Okay. So next one, we need to calculate the percentage of eutectic at room temperature. So where is the room temperature? Here room temperature we are considering as 25 degrees Celsius, that is TR is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. So again draw on horizontal line, at this temperature. Okay, at this temperature. Then here I will get 3 points, that is O1 and it is O2 and this is O3. O1, O2 and O3. O1, O2 and O3. I will write here at TR is equal to 25. So what you want to calculate? The percentage of eutectic. The percentage of eutectic, here it having alpha and alpha plus beta. So here I am considering the eutectic means alpha plus beta. The percentage of alpha plus beta. Here the alpha, this region is near to alpha plus beta and this region is 100%. This is alpha. You want to calculate alpha plus beta, I am taking opposite, that is O1 divided by O2 divided by O1 divided by O3. O1 divided by O3. What is the distance between here? 10. Okay, 10, 20, 10, 20, 20, 30, 35. That is 35. Sorry. Here I am taking opposite one. For percentage of alpha plus beta, I am taking opposite, this length, 10, 20 and 25. The 25 divided by, okay, what is the total length? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 25 divided by 60, approximately 41.66 percentage of, okay, alpha plus beta. Okay, alpha plus beta. So next one, the one more they given at 390 degrees Celsius, what is the percentage of liquid? Where is 390 degree? Here near to that 400. So draw it properly. We are solving in graph. We don't want any approximate. We are having exact value. Okay. Okay. At this line again I am having 3 points. This is x1 and this is x2 and this is x3. X3 is exactly, okay, it may be around 45, around 44, around 44. X3 is around, it may be exactly, it may be 44. Okay, again at, I will write here, at 390 degrees Celsius, what you want to calculate? The percentage of liquid is equal to, here x1 and x2, x3 is on what? Liquidous line. So this is what? Liquid portion, and here this is solid portion. What you want to calculate? The percentage of liquid. So per percentage of liquid I am taking opposite. What is that? X1 by x2 divided by x1 into x3. X1 into x3. So what is the x1 into x2? 10, 20 and 25. 10, 20 and 25 divided by, it may be 10, 20, 30, 40, 44. It is approximately 44. It is approximately 44. What is that? Again this is around 56.81% of liquid. 81% of liquid, and remaining minus 100 minus 56, that is percentage of, that is solid, that is the solid part. Okay, this is the solution of first one. So I will repeat that once again. So first you draw the border line, mark xy, write the x a 100 and a 100, 90, 80 and b 0 to 100, and mark the temperature. According to this problem, maximum temperature is 650. Because of that I am taking up to 700, and TA is what? 650. Why you mark here? A is 100 here. Because of that I mark TA is here, and here TB is 450. Then mark these 2 points, then draw the horizontal line at eutectic temperature, that is 300 degrees Celsius, and find it, and at point at eutectic composition, that is 40% of A and 60% of B, draw on a vertical line till this eutectic temperature. Okay, then join TA to E and E to B, TB. Okay, then write all, okay, that regions, okay, silent features of the means temperature, what is liquid, liquidous line, what is alpha plus beta, and B rich metal and alpha rich metal, and all. Then this is draw and label all the silent features. So next one, what we calculated, we draw the one alloy line. They already given. They only give, they according to that problem. What is the alloy line? 75 of B, 75 of A, and 25 of B. Okay, I draw the vertical line, and where it intersect, it is intersect here. Means this is the first point, that is, okay, that is solidification start. It is at 500 degree Celsius, and solidification end means below this line. Okay, that is completely solid. So because of that, solidification end. Then at room temperature means at exactly at this point, a room temperature line, that alloy line where it intersect, I want to calculate the percentage of eutectic, alpha plus beta. So I apply the lever rule, O1, O2 and O3. So this part is what, that is eutectic, and this one is alpha. So I want to calculate the percentage of eutectic. I am considering opposite length. Because of that, I am taking O1 to O2 divided by O1 to O3. So what is the total length of that? 10, 20, 25. So 10, 20 and 25. What is the total length? Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. That is 25 by 60 is approximately 41.66% of eutectic. Means in this portion, alpha is what? Alpha plus beta is together, it is alpha plus beta together 100%. But in that, this alpha plus beta is what? It is 41.66% is there. 41.66% is there. Okay. Next, at 390 degrees Celsius, so where the alloy line intersect, it is intersect at point X2. What is the percentage of liquid? So here again I will draw one horizontal line at 390 degrees Celsius. Again I got 3 points, X1, X2 and X3. X3 is, it is on liquidous line, so it is liquid portion. X1 is on solid line, so it is, okay, solid region. So I want to calculate percentage of liquid. I am taking opposite length. So it is that X1 to X2, that is X1 to X2. Again it is 10, 20 and 25. Again it is 25 divided by, so where is X3? So X3 is unknown because the drawn dotted line towards 0 degree Celsius, it intersect here. It is approximately 44. While you solving the graph, you will get the exact value, that is 44. Okay. So means what? 25 divided by 44 is 56.8. Okay, 56.8. Okay, this is the given the first problem. Okay. If any doubt, if anything, you can message me or you can call me. You can do any video for whatever it is. So if you want, I will explain once again. Okay. Thank you.